Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio. Sign in with the channel you own and open Studio Dashboard. Once there, click Create Upload Videos to start file transfer. Make sure your video file matches recommended specs, MP4 or MAV, H, 264 codec, because Studio validates format before upload. While it uploads, name the draft and set a basic privacy state so you can work without publishing. This early discipline saves rework. Do these first actionable steps immediately to keep the process smooth. Once the file is uploaded, focus on details and metadata to help discovery. Enter a concise title with main keywords and write a descriptive first 1-2 sentences because that appears in search previews. Upload a custom 1280 by 720 thumbnail to increase click-through rate. Choose an engaging frame. Add tags, select or create a playlist, and define chapters for navigation. Also set language, audience options, and any age restrictions so the video surfaces correctly across viewers and regions. Now finalize release. Pick visibility or schedule a publish date and time. Scheduling helps cross-platform promotion. Add end screens and cards to boost watch time, confirm monetization and add preferences if eligible, and save. After publishing, monitor analytics for impressions, CTR, and watch time to iterate. If you hit problems, processing stuck or thumbnail not applying, clear browser cache, try an incognito window. Re-encode the file at recommended settings, or re-upload. That fixes most publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.